Well, he jumped off the wagon and he spread out his hands. Brace yourselves and calm.
Hi there, how you doing? I'm John. I'm from San Diego, and this is my bus. It doesn't have a name because I can never make a decision. But but here she is. It's a '96 Thomas, 34 feet long, and I raised the roof, as you can see, by 12 inches, and put in new windows and everything. Would you like to come aboard, or you want to take a walk around? Or?
No.
Let's go aboard. Okay.
I tell people that buses are like cats. They'll let you know their name when they're ready.
Yeah. That's really true. And anyway, here's the it's storage underneath these, and I used to make marine canvas work, and so this was pretty simple stuff. I'm a little out of practice, as you can see, but
Yeah.
but it's not bad. It's all fun. I'm not finished. There's still lots of trim work left to do, but we'll get to it. We'll get to it. I'm here basically to get my motor running again, to get things going.
Well, it's in most of my videos you hear me say the skoolies are never done, they're done-ish.
Yeah. So I've got a propane oven and range, and then water. I've got 80 gallons of fresh water and 80 gallons of gray tank.
Right.
So it just goes from the freshwater tank through the sink or through the shower, and right into the gray water. So I've always got enough. You know.
Right.
This is that's kind of a workbench there. I use that for. I got a vise that sets up there, and some other tools, and
Sure.
And it saves the wear and tear on this thing over here. This is the refrigerator, believe it or not. It started out as a freezer, and I made it into a refrigerator with this thing here. What this is a thermostat, and this little wire goes inside and down in the bottom, and it runs the freezer between 40 and 42 degrees all the time. And I like this setup. The reason is because of the thickness of the walls.
Right.
When you look at a standard refrigerator that you would buy for something like this, the walls are like that.
Sure.
They're real thin.
Well,
these are real thick.
That being a chest, the cold air stays in. It doesn't all run out when you open the door.
Exactly. Yeah, the chest is real important. So so this all runs on solar, and I've only got well, I started with 400 watts, and the solar more than took care of it. The pumps and this thing and everything else that I do. Okay, I told you. Oh, this is the hot water heater here, and it's propane, on demand, and it costs me like $100 to.
Sure. Yeah, I've got something.
eBay. And
different name, but I got the same thing. For my shower and stuff.
How it works. It just comes up and it's warm. And this is the bathroom and the shower here. I'll turn on the light. But it's really nice. It warm shower, and just composting toilet. It's just a bucket and a bag. This is the electrical room here. My tools are scattered all over the place. So, but the way this works is we got solar outside, solar panels, and 600 watts of them, and they come to this thing here. This is the solar charge converter,
Sure.
And from there it goes directly into the batteries, and that is just 200 watts of lithium iron oxide.
That's one of the things I want to try is building my own batteries.
Yeah.
Like this, buying the cells. And
you know, if you are interested, look up Will Prowse.
I watch Will. Yeah.
Yeah, he's the best. He taught me how to do this, and it's been great. The inverter is a pure sine wave. I spent some money on that, and I'm glad I did, because it gets a workout and doesn't complain a bit.
Yep.
It works out well. This is where I sleep, back here. Pull the curtains and sleep. This is the freezer.
Mm-hmm.
I'm all stocked up there. And so that's pretty much the inside.
And you got the rear engine, so you got the
this
got the shelf there. And
the shelf for the rear engine. And this is I got to do something with this. This is a piece of steel here, and I need to put a piece of foam over that or something to cushion it a little bit.
I've seen somebody else, what they used as a bedside table for him and his wife is they had suitcases attached to the back. And actually there's a woman here, I just did a tour, so a couple weeks before this you would see that she used suitcases on a shelf where she'd pull it out. That's her dresser.
Perfect.
So
Perfect.
yeah, that's why I like doing these tours. I get to see
you get a lot of ideas.
A lot of ideas.
Yeah. This is the fan in the back. I got another one just like it in the front.
Sure.
And
fantastic fan.
They're not fantastic. They're I don't even know what the company is, but they work great.
Sure.
And they're pretty quiet.
Yep.
These are just skylights here. I really like the light.
Right.
You know, keep the instead of being a dark place.
Yeah.
There's some cobwebs I got to get rid of.
Well, that goes with the territory.
Yeah. So
yeah,
that's pretty much it.
yeah, very nice.
Well, thank you. Yeah.
I like the warm feel of the wood.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
And do you have any social media presence if somebody wanted to ask any questions or?
Just email. I don't know, but I don't have a channel or anything.
They can comment on the video and.
Yeah, on the video, and I can get back with them. Yeah.
All right, well, thank you.
Alrighty.